The ducks are gonna get you. Go get them. Go get the ducks. Go get the ducks.
Look at them. Momo.
Go get them. Keep going. The ducks are gonna get you.
They obviously recognize she's not a hunting dog.
Keep her away from this.
Oh.
Come on.
Come on.
They also know how deep the water gets real quick.
They lured her to deep water.
Now they're gonna peck the snot out of her.
Mama, what about the duck? Huh? What about the duck? Okay, they're rolling the grass.
That's not grass.
Honey, she's doing a spotty scrub.
She is. A sand mask. Kathy taught her that.